A separation forces you to pull together a complete picture of everything you own, owe, and earn, usually from accounts you no longer fully control, and often on a deadline. The Divorce and Separation Records Organizer gives that whole picture, one calm, private home, a file that is yours. It is a 10-tab workbook for Excel and Google Sheets, a summary of who's who and where things stand. Inventories of your assets and your debts, a monthly budget, a shared bill tracker, a documents index, your legal contacts, and a co-parenting reference. A working system, not a blank template. Start with the 2 inventories that everything depends on. List every account and asset, who it's titled to, where it's held, and where the documents live, and the workbook adds up an estimated total for you. Do the same for your debts. Together, it's the financial foundation a mediator asks for. The Income and Monthly Expenses tab builds your budget one line at a time. Mark each line income or expense, and the workbook totals your income, your expenses, and the net at the bottom, exactly the monthly picture a financial affidavit asks you to prepare. When you and the other party split an expense, log who fronted it and each person's share. The workbook keeps a running balance of what each of you is still owed, so who owes whom is a clear record, not a memory and not an argument. Prefer Google Sheets? You don't have to import anything. Open the included link, click Make a Copy, and the whole organizer lands in your Google Drive. Every dropdown and calculated total already set up. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. One rule runs through every page. Record the facts and where documents live. Never your passwords or full account numbers. And keep the file in an account only you control, not a shared device the other party can open. During a separation, privacy is safety. It's a records organizer, not legal advice, with 4 PDF guides to walk you through it. Buy once, and it's yours to keep on your terms. Find the Divorce and Separation Records Organizer at ardentworkshop.com and start free with the separation document checklist.